Looking for the best fishing rods in 2025? In this video, we reveal our top 3 picks that deliver unmatched performance, durability, and value for anglers of all levels. Whether you're a seasoned fisherman or just getting started, we've tested and reviewed the best rods on the market to help you make the right choice. Don't miss out, watch till the end for our 1 recommendation. Number 3. The ugly Stick GX2 6 feet 6 inches spinning rod is a powerhouse of durability, sensitivity, and versatility, perfect for anglers who demand a reliable all-purpose rod. Constructed with ugly tech, graphite, and fiberglass, this rod offers a medium power rating and moderate fast action, making it capable of handling a 6 to 15 pounds line and 1 or 8 to 5 or 8 ounce lures with ease. Its lightweight build, just 0.1 kilograms, paired with a full grip EVA handle, ensures comfortable use during long fishing sessions. Designed with 6 one-piece stainless steel ugly tough guides, it resists corrosion and eliminates insert pop-outs, even under extreme conditions. The clear tip design delivers enhanced sensitivity without compromising strength, making it suitable for everything from shore fishing to offshore battles. Real-world users rave about its toughness, some using it to land 80-pound tarpon without failure. It's become a favorite for saltwater and freshwater anglers alike, praised for being nearly indestructible and exceptionally well-balanced. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned angler, the GX2 is a go-to rod that won't let you down. Covered by a 7-year warranty, this rod is more than a purchase, it's an investment in years of reliable performance. Highly recommended for any fishing situation. Number 2. The KastKing Recon saltwater rod and reel combo delivers exceptional performance, durability, and value, perfect for anglers targeting big saltwater species. Built with a graphite composite blank, this 7.6-foot spinning rod is both lightweight and tough, with stainless steel guides and zirconia rings that ensure smooth, friction-free casting and retrieval. The included reel is equally impressive. Available in sizes up to 5,000, it boasts a triple-disc carbon drag system with up to 40 pounds of drag power, reinforced with a stainless steel shaft and brass gearing for reliability in harsh saltwater conditions. The 5+1 stainless steel ball bearings and never rust polymer bail bearing ensure buttery smooth performance and long-lasting corrosion resistance. User reviews highlight its outstanding build quality and value beyond its price point. While some note the reel has a bit of weight, they praise its smooth drag, excellent line lay, and sensitivity. The Tech frame, EVA handle, and uplock reel seat add to its ergonomic and rugged design. One user even compared the reel's feel to a Shimano Sphero's, high praise at a more affordable price. From stripe base to king mackerel, this combo is designed to handle all. Whether you're casting offshore or from the beach, the KastKing Recon is a reliable choice built to last. Number 1. The Daiwa Backbay spinning rod is a high-performance, versatile rod designed for East Coast backbay fishing, but built tough enough for a wide range of species across the U.S. With its 7 feet 6 inches one-piece composite blank, this rod offers extra fast action with a soft tip, ideal for casting jigs, plugs, and bucktails with precision and responsiveness. Perfectly matched with Daiwa's Saltis Backbay reels, sold separately. This rod is more than capable of handling big stripers, redfish, and even larger surprise catches. One user reported landing a 50-pound stingray and a kingfish with ease, praising the rod's backbone and sensitivity. Even in its heavy model configuration, the rod remains lightweight, making it comfortable for extended casting sessions. The extra long handle offers improved leverage and casting distance, while the sleek flat black finish and Fuji guides add to its premium feel and long-term durability. Whether you're fishing piers, inshore bays, or targeting species like bluefish and Spanish mackerel, the Daiwa Backbay delivers professional-level performance. With its well-balanced design and responsive tip, this rod is perfect for anglers who need reliability, sensitivity, and casting power, all in one sleek package. Highly recommended for serious saltwater fishermen. Thanks for watching our review of the top 3 fishing rods in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment with your favorite fishing rod. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Tight lines, and we'll see you out on the water in the next video.